Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. Today we have a scholarship called Full Circle Scholarship, and this scholarship is provided by American Indian College Fund, and student will be rewarded $15,000, and bachelor degree students are eligible to apply for this scholarship. The link for the scholarship is given below in the description box. To know entire application process, keep watching our video. If you enjoy content like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel at The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Insta, Telegram at The Global Scholarship. So now let's get started to the video. First type globalscholarship.org. Click on the first link that appears on your page. Now this link will take to our official website, which has three broad categories such as scholarship, abroad scholarship, competition and awards. So click on abroad scholarship. Here you will see list of scholarship according to your eligibility. So for today let's focus on full circle scholarship. So hit on a view button. Now you can see interface that has scholarship details like scholarship name, scholarship provider, scholarship rewards and important dates like start date, end date and education. Bachelor degree students are eligible to apply for this scholarship. After that, I want you to go through scholarship description once to know the intent behind the scholarship provider. Once done with that, check out the eligibility criteria that is given here, and next you will see attachment section. So these are all the requirements that you need to apply for the application. So keep documents handy while applying for the scholarship. Next you will see how to apply for the scholarship. So hit on the click here and apply button. It will direct you to the scholarship application form. So here you can see the scholarship website. Scroll down and you will see apply now. So click on it. So first you need to sign up for the application. Click on sign up. So here you need to fill the email address and put password and then confirm password and then click on sign up button. After that you can see welcome page. Then click on create a profile to get started. So here in this page you need to select the role and then you need to select link to organization. Then fill your first name, middle name, last name, then date of birth, and then you need to fill your primary email address, and next you have to upload your picture. And next comes home address section. Here you need to fill street address and address 2 and address 3 and city, state and zip code and country and your cell phone number. Then next you need to tick yes or no if you identify as a LGBTQ. Next select for gender pronouns and then select gender and then select marital status, and next you have to enter the number of dependents under age 18, and next you have to enter number of other dependents who are over 18. Next you have to select a tribal affiliation and next select the race and ethnicity. After that click on create profile, and next in this page if you want application tips then you can click here, and next if you want to know about application FAQs then you can click here, and next if you want chatbot then you can click on it, and next click on get started, and then next click on apply now. After that click on open button, and here you need to fill the street address, address 2 and address 3, then fill the details of your city, state and zip code and select the country. And next comes academic information section. If you are currently high school senior then you have to tick yes or no, and select your high school, then select your degree you are pursuing, then select your major, then you have to tick on any of the option for your enrollment status for academic year 2023 to 2024. Then you have to fill your cumulative GPA, then select your class level, then select your semester or expected graduation. You have to tick yes or no if you previously attended tribal college. Then you have to tick yes or no if you are a first generation college student. Then tick yes or no for full circle scholar in fall 2022 or spring 2023. And if you are a descendant of boarding school survivor then tick yes or no. And next you have to fill the details if your grandparents or parent, their boarding school experience and how they impacted them on their descendants. You have to fill the details for this in this box. And next comes reflection questions. Here in this box you need to fill the details for challenges you have overcome to attend the college, and next you need to fill the details of your career goals, and next in this box you need to fill the details of your education impact your native community or Indian country. And next you need to tick yes or no if you are a active member, and next you need to tick yes or no if you are a formerly member of armed forces. And next in this box you need to fill details, a heartfelt thank you letter to the scholarship donors, then upload a transcript file. If you have submitted 2023 to 2024 FAFSA, then tick yes or no. After that, if you agree to the above waiver, then tick yes. And after that, you acknowledge that the reviewed your entries, then tick yes. After that, you need to select for how did you hear about the college fund scholarship opportunities. After that, click on mark complete. So this is how you go through scholarship application process. Thank you for watching the video.